Look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. The lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the front seats. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. Pull up on this bar to slide the second row seats forward or backward. Pull up on this lever and lean back to recline the second row seats, or lean forward to bring the seat upright. The second row seats can also be folded forward for maximum cargo hauling. First, stow the seat belts in the seat belt hooks. Then, lift up on this lever to fold the seat back down. There are also power folding buttons located in the cargo area. It may be necessary to remove the second row seat headrests or head restraints before folding the second row seats. To return the seats to a seating position, lift up on this lever and push up on the upper seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrests or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.